Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 26 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2924, find champion 2. Okay, and I don't know why this problem is of medium level. Actually, it should be of easy level. It's very easy problem actually. So let's read the problem statement first. So there are n teams numbered from 0 to n-1. In a tournament, each team is also a node in DAG. Okay, you are given the integer n and a 0 index 2D integer array edges of length m representing the DAG, where edges of I indicates that there is a directed edge from team U to team V in the graph. Okay, DAG means simply means directed acyclic graph. Okay, now a directed edge from A to B in the graph means that A is stronger than team B and team B is weaker than team A. Okay, by default. So from A to B, if there is edge, right? So that simply means that this team is stronger, this team is weaker. Okay, team A will be champion of the tournament if there is no team B that is stronger than team A. Okay, so here let's say A is stronger than team B and B is stronger than team C. Okay, so here this is stronger, this is weaker. Now here this is stronger and this is weaker. Okay, but if A is stronger than B, right, then definitely A is also stronger than C, right? So here A is going to be the champion. Then we have to turn the team that will be a champion of the tournament if there is a unique champion. Okay, if there are two teams, okay, let's say A is stronger than B. Okay, B is weaker, and there is another team C which is stronger than this team B. Okay, so team B again is weaker. Okay, so here see, this team and this team never lost, right? So both are stronger, right? So if that is the case, then simply return -1. Okay, we need a unique champion, right? Okay, a DAG is a directed graph that doesn't have any cycle. Okay, I hope that you guys are clear with the problem statement. Okay, DAG, directed acyclic graph. Okay, so now here see this example number 1. Okay, so initially what I'm going to say that I'm going to say that all the teams are stronger. Okay, so here what I'm going to set it to false. Okay, this team never lost. I'm saying initially this team never lost. False. This team never lost initially. Okay, I'm saying this never lost. Okay, so now there is first match between 0 and 1. Okay, first match is going on. Okay, 0 wins and 1 lost, right? 0 to 1 simply means that 0 is stronger and 1 is weaker. Okay, so this team lost, this one is lost now. Okay, so here I'm going to change it to true. Okay, this team lost, so I'm setting it to true. Okay, then next match is going on between 1 and 2. Okay, so here 2 is weaker than 1, right? So this team lost. Okay, so here I'm going to set it to true. Okay, so now how many teams do we have? We have total 3 teams, 0, 1 and 2, and in the end I see that this value is false and this is true and this is true. So this is a unique winner, right? This team never lost, so I'm going to simply return 0. That's it. So this is my approach. Okay, how I'm going to solve this problem. Now see this problem, and is equal to 4. There are 4 teams, 0, 1, 2, 3. Initially all the values are false. Okay, all the teams never lost until here. Okay, so now there is a match between 0 and 2. 0 and 2, 0 is stronger than this 2, right? So this team lost, so here I'm going to set it to true. Okay, I set it to true. Okay, then there is a match between 1 and 3. 1 and 3, so 3 is weaker, right? So 3 lost here. Okay, so I'm going to set it to true. Okay, this is true. All right, then there is a match between 1 and 2. 1 and 2, so 1 is stronger and 2 is weaker, so 2 is already set to true. Okay, and 1 is again stronger. Okay, so in the end you will see that we have two f values, right? Two false values, 0 and 1. So there is a no unique champion, simply return -1. That's it. Okay, so now let's write the code. So easy, right? So this is what you need to do in this problem. That's all. Okay, so now here first thing that you need to do here, let's create one boolean array. Okay, and in Java by default all the values are set to false. Okay, so we don't need to do anything new. Boolean, and here I'm going to write n. Okay, n teams we have. Okay, then I'm just going to iterate over all the edges one by one. Int edges. Okay, and my weaker team. Okay, so weaker team is present at edge of 1 index. Okay, so at these indexes we have weaker team, right? At these indexes we have weaker teams. Okay, so weaker team is at edge of 1. Okay, so now here for that particular weaker team I'm going to set it to true. Okay, this team lost, so I'm going to set it to true. That's it. Okay, done. Here then let's say that initially we have 0. I'm setting this unique variable value to 0. Okay, and winner initially, let's say initially you can say that my winner is -1. Okay, there is no winner right now. Okay, so now here inside this, what I'm going to write, I'm going to iterate over all the values, all these indexes, all these teams 1 for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, right? And here I'm just going to check if team of I, okay, if the value is true, okay, if this value is true. Okay, so if team of I, okay, team of I not, I'm doing not, so if value is false, that simply means that this team never lost, right? So here I'm going to just increment the value of unique, increment the value of unique plus plus, and I'm going to set this current team as my winner. Okay, winner is equal to this I. Okay, but my unique will be incremented here. So at here my unique is set to 1 and my winner is set to 0. Okay, then I move to here. So again my unique will be incremented to 2 here and winner is set to 1. Okay, so now if my unique becomes greater than 1, okay, that simply means that two champions are there. Then in that case simply return -1. Okay, otherwise just so give the last value of winner. Okay, so here this is done. Winner is equal to I. Okay, and here you can write it inside if you want, or you can write it outside as well. If unique value, okay, if there is just a unique team, one unique team, okay, then in that case simply return the last stored value of winner. Okay, but if there are multiple unique there are multiple teams which are champion, okay, unique value is greater than 1, then in that case simply return -1. That's it. Okay, now let's run it and see if there are any code issues, then we'll try to fix that. All the test cases has been accepted. Okay, and the time complexity, so here we are iterating over all the edges that we have. So in this part the time complexity is going to be of m, and here we are iterating over all the teams 1 by 1. So in this part my time complexity is going to be of n. Okay, and overall time complexity is going to be of m plus of n, that simply means of m plus n. Okay, so now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted and we beat 100% of users with Java, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.